So you finally hit 100 bookings. Congratulations, you're moving up in the world. But as much as that is something to celebrate, it is also the point where you need to sit back and assess how strong your booking setup is. Because once bookings start piling up, your app has to manage availability, customer updates, payment details, service rules, and your team's sanity all at once. Hi, I'm Evan, and I'll walk you through 5 places your Shopify booking app starts getting tested after 100 bookings. First, availability. When bookings are low, opening and closing a few slots feels manageable. After 100 bookings, availability needs rules. Some services need buffer time. Some dates need to stay blocked. Some sessions need capacity limits. Meanwhile, some staff members may only be available on certain days. A booking app that only thinks in open and closed slots will make your business look available even when it's not. A stronger setup needs to understand the rules behind the calendar, not just the empty spaces on it. Second, changes. Bookings don't stay perfect after they are made. People will reschedule, cancel, and some will choose the wrong sessions, or they might need a new meeting link. When you're under 100 bookings, you can manage these hiccups without breaking a sweat. But once you cross the century mark, every small change starts creating follow-up work. The calendar needs updating, the customer needs a message, and the booking record needs to stay accurate. A good setup should help manage those changes without turning every adjustment into another email thread. Third, service setup. Most service stores do not stay at one simple appointment forever. You might have consultations, audits, workshops, classes, follow-up calls, online sessions, or in-person appointments. Each one can need its own duration, price, capacity, location, intake detail, confirmation message, or meeting link. If your booking app treats every service like the same basic appointment, your backend starts getting harder to control every time you add a new offer. Fourth, payment and booking details. After 100 bookings, knowing that someone booked is not enough. You need to know which service they booked, what they paid for, when the session is happening, whether the time has changed, and what confirmation they received. If those details are spread across Shopify, your calendar, your inbox, and a separate booking record, simple questions start taking too long to answer. The cleaner setup is one where the order, customer, and booking details stay close enough for your team to trust what they are seeing. Fifth, visibility. Once bookings pick up, a simple appointment list is not enough. You need to see upcoming bookings, canceled bookings, customer details, service demand, and the changes happening across your schedule. Otherwise, you are only reacting to one appointment at a time. That is exhausting, and it makes growth harder to manage. A booking setup should give you a clear view of the operation, because bookings are not just dates on a calendar. They are signals about what your customers want and where your business is getting busy. Hitting 100 bookings is a good sign. It means people want what you're offering. But it also means your booking setup has to do more than take appointments. It needs to protect your availability, manage changes, support different services, keep booking details connected, and show you what is happening as you grow. If your store is reaching that point, Booked by the Shop Ninjas is worth exploring. It brings appointment booking into Shopify with service setup, calendar sync, reminders, and booking management built around the store experience. I'm Evan from the Shop Ninjas, and I'll see you in the next one.